Hi there and welcome to Stamping with Val, and in today's tutorial video I want to show you how you can make these gorgeous little six-sided bows using the Stampin' Up bow punch. So let's go ahead. You're going to need the bow punch, obviously. You're going to need a patterned paper of your choice. I've chosen this lovely gold one that's new in the autumn winter catalogue. You're going to need plenty of glue dots, and you're going to need your bone folder. So that's what we need to get started. The first thing we're going to do is punch some of the pretty paper using the bow punch. So when you punch with the bow punch, you get this sort of overly bow part. You get a little sort of half tail thing, and you get this little rectangle that would normally go over the centre of an ordinary bow. You don't need that for these ones, so you can chuck that to one side, but you do need these pieces. You're going to need 6 in total. Okay, and for these overly bow pieces, you're going to give them a good curl to get the curve started. And on the little taily pieces, you're going to give those a very slight curl the other way. For this one, you're going to add a glue dot to the little square end. So just on one end, and then you're going to fold that over and squeeze it together. Okay, and you're going to need 6 of those in total. And like Blue Peter, here's some I did earlier. So we've got all 6 of our little bows, and we're going to need something to stick them to. So I've punched a 1-inch circle punch from just a scrap of white card, and we're going to go ahead and stick those all around this to create that circular bow part. So we're going to go ahead and stick them on, and we want to stick them up to the centre of the circle like that. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and fill it all up. So we want one opposite up to the centre, and then one next to that, and the glue dots mean you've got a little bit of give in them, and then one up to there, and then filling in this side like that, and then the 6th one coming in like that. Okay, you can use your glue dots just to sort of give them a little wiggle to make sure they're sort of vaguely evenly spaced, like so. Okay, now we want a little centre like this one, and for that I've just punched a 3/4 inch circle from a scrap of white card. Choose whatever colour card obviously matches your bow. So for this one I've done a black circle, and I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of that so that it gets a little bit of lift because of all the way that all the bows are curved. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop that into the centre of there. Okay, now we want to add all our tails on. So here are my 6 slightly curved tails, and again we want a glue dot on the little square end on the top this time rather than on the inside. They're going to go on the top, and it's up to you where you position them. This one I've got them coming off in line with the bow, but you can do them so that they're in the gaps and come out the gaps, and that looks quite pretty too. But I'm going to go ahead and do this the same as that one. So we're just gonna, and these stick on the bottom, do you see, and line them up and just have them sticking out, trying to get them all roughly sticking out the same if you can. There we are. I've over curled a few of these, but that's alright, I can even them back up. And there we go. And then all that's left is for you to pop a little bit of decoration in the middle. I've popped a rhinestone on this one. And then all you have to do is use some adhesive, another dimensional, some glue dots, or just some glue on the bottom when you're ready to attach it to your project. And that's how you make these gorgeous little 6-sided bows using the Stampin' Up bow punch. Thanks for watching today. Bye!